What's the forecast? What's on the map? Pay attention or we'll give you a slap. What's the weather? What's the plan? Here's Willie the Wacky Weatherman.
Hey, it's Willie the Wacky Weatherman with your AI forecast for this week. Brace yourselves, folks, because we've got a tsunami warning in effect. An AI tsunami, and it's coming this way. We're talking about a massive wave of AI that's bigger than anything we've ever seen. This tsunami is going to create high pressure for folks who don't prepare and adapt with AI. It's going to be a perfect storm of business disruption, causing an avalanche of change. Buckle up, buttercups, because this AI tsunami is the real deal and it's headed your way. This is Willie the Wacky Weatherman. Back to you in the studio.
What's the forecast? What's on the map? Pay attention or we'll give you a slap.